gosh, my god, my god.
Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah. Her boobs is so big. Naay! Naay! This one is so bad.
Look, she's fighting back.
It's actually thundering because it looks like it's going to rain tonight. Wow, I'm really like pulling it. Big. Nakalagin na siya utin-utin sa iyang liog ba? Tanawa ko ng baboy kani siya nga baboy okay na siya utin-utin sa liog. Nay, bebe, ik sa mal. Ik sa huwati. Katong isa kay wala siya utin sa liog. Kani siya kay naka siya utin-utin sa liog. Kita ka? Tura o nagbitay. Isa pa. Tura. Tura o, naka siya utin-utin. There. Bebe, why does this pig have a weird thing hanging in the neck?
I don't know.
Isumpa man yung babuyan eh. Yeah.
They're really enjoying it.
Oh, they fart.
It's the pig.
Wow. So we are just feeding the goat and the baboy. It's there. Ay, naadyo siya utin. Nagbitay sa iyong liog ba? Ano gina siya? Uy, pila nakahihalin ani kung sa Pilipinas ni ba? Litsunon na siya, oh. Uy, naadyo siya utin sa liog ba? Promise. Naadyo siya nagbitay sa liog ba? Nagtabyog-tabyog.
You fart?
I did not fart. It's the pig ba? The pigs in the Philippines don't have that extra thing here. Turo kita ka. Ay, wala na eh. Litsunon. Lami na ni siya litsunon ba? Mura pog ako ano. Manguli namin no kay. Pero hadlok kay ning pugon nila diri kay. Nanganhira mi diri kay mamahog mi og kanang kuan kanding og baboy. Tawa sa ning balay ba kay na siya nanubo. Gikapoy ba ako baka gikan kung trabaho. Buutan kayo si Ankol kay anak siya kung gusto ba daw kuno ko og kuan. Igawas daw kuno ko niya mag-drive me. Bebe, can't we not stay here?
Stay here.
A little bit. There, oh. Ingana na siya pag kana bitong kay bawo na siya nga kapuyan kay ko kapag abot na ko sa balay kay di naman ko magtingog. Yun ana din na siya. Gusto ka magkuan ta mamahog tag kanding, mamahog ta og kanang kuan kabayo. Bisan unsa ra yaw hunahunaan. Pero gikapoy ba ako ba? My gosh, nag-ulan na. Baby, it's raining. Nay, they're hiding already. Come ba? Ikapoy baya po na si Ankol kay gikan po na siyang trabaho ba. Ay, hagardo versosa. Sus, Ginoo ko ang akong dagway sa jud gikapoy ko oy. Dugay na kay ko wala ka-upload ba. Taod-taod na jud. Baby, ow! It hurts. Stop! What is that? What?
Pear.
You hit my boobs. It hurts.
It's a micro pear.
Ah, okay. Baby, you stay there. I will hit your here in the forehead. Naay, not so far. I cannot hit you. Close ba?
How close am I supposed to? I was all the way over there.
Close a little bit. Close your eyes. Okay, wait up. Okay, are you ready?
Coming closer.
Naay,
You're coming
because
close.
I cannot reach you, baby. Are you ready? You have to take
Why are you
your
coming
foot.
closer?
Because I cannot. Baby, seriously, let me hit you already. Let me hit you. Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Eyes, you
no.
baby. Close your
I
eyes.
can close them.
1, 2, 3. So we are back in the car. And we are going already. Manguli nami.
You said it, not me.
Not the guy. I said, when you said we feed the goats there last year. so then night.
Let's talk about something else.
No, because then
And
I
it's
said
okay.
night. Because then I said to you, no, it's not okay. Let
Why,
me say
why would you
what.
have to defend it so much? Forget it, baby.
Because
Just
why you
funny.
no? Because why you keep on saying that I said it? I didn't
Because
say
you
it.
did.
Night, baby. I said, don't put words in my mouth.
You
No,
work. It's
stop.
another girl. You said that.
No, I said,
It was another
baby.
girl.
No, I said, I didn't say.
Too much now you believe it.
I really didn't say. I honestly didn't say a girl.
Yeah, let's pretend that. And then we talk
Baby,
about
you
something
stop.
else.
No, it's not fair like that. Don't ba.
Come hold my hand.
No. You should not say like that. I did not say it. Don't ba. I can see you laughing. Stop.
Let's talk about something, baby. Let's talk about